Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Central, and today we're diving into one of the most exciting performance cars of the upcoming year, the 2026 Toyota Supra. This latest generation has stirred up a lot of buzz, not just for its updated styling, but for the enhancements under the hood and inside the cabin that make it more refined, more powerful, and more connected than ever. Whether you're a longtime Supra fan or someone curious about what Toyota has done to push this icon forward, there's a lot to unpack, so let's get into it. The 2026 Supra takes its familiar athletic shape and tightens it with new aerodynamic details that instantly catch the eye. The front fascia has been reshaped with sharper lines, a wider grille, and more aggressive air intakes that improve airflow and cooling at high speeds. The headlights have been redesigned with slimmer LED clusters, giving the car a more modern, focused expression. The side profile still carries that classic low roofline and long nose, but you'll notice subtle changes in the sculpting that make the stance broader and more planted. Around the back, the updated taillights and reworked diffuser give the Supra an even sportier, track-ready appearance. Overall, the design feels like an evolution rather than a reinvention, but it's an evolution that makes a strong statement. Performance is where the 2026 Supra really shines. Toyota has refined the engine options to squeeze out more power and responsiveness. The turbocharged inline-six now delivers even quicker acceleration, offering smoother torque delivery and improved throttle feel. The tuning has been sharpened, giving drivers a more connected experience whether they're carving up a winding road or launching off the line. The updated suspension system is noticeably more balanced, providing improved cornering stability without sacrificing daily comfort. Toyota also tweaked the steering system, making it more precise and communicative, which adds to the Supra's dynamic personality. The combination of refined power and enhanced handling makes this model feel like the most confident and capable Supra to date. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Supra has received thoughtful upgrades aimed at blending sportiness with comfort. The seating now provides improved support with new cushioning materials that keep you comfortable during longer drives while still holding you firmly in spirited situations. The updated infotainment system features a larger touchscreen with smoother animations, faster response times, and improved connectivity through wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster has been redesigned to show more performance data in a cleaner layout. Toyota also upgraded cabin materials, adding more soft-touch surfaces and subtle metallic accents that elevate the overall feel without taking away from the driver-focused layout. Some unique features further set the 2026 Supra apart. Toyota has added customizable drive modes that allow drivers to fine-tune throttle response, steering weight, and suspension stiffness. A new performance telemetry system lets enthusiasts review lap times, G-forces, and power output in real time. There's also enhanced safety tech that quietly works in the background, including improved collision detection and lane assist systems. Outro like thanks for watching.